When you grow up, you tend to get told that the world is the way it is, and your life is just to live your life inside the world, try not to bash into the walls too much, try to have a nice family life, have fun, save a little money. That's a very limited life. Life can be much broader, and you can change it. You can influence it. You can build your own things that other people can use. Once you learn that, you'll never be the same again.
Steve started drawing on a placemat. We went back and forth, and basically by the end of that constructed what looks exactly like an iPad.
So Steve's genius is to move when he has a good idea.
I don't get lucky. I make my own luck.
The secret code for everybody is keep your dream alive, because it might come true someday.
This is the stupidest idea you have ever got. But I think, I don't know the stupid club as long as people use it. Now we have 800 million people using this Alipay.
We believe customer number 1, employee number 2, shareholder number 3.
Customer 1, employee 2, shareholder
number
3.
It's the customer that pays us the money. It's the employees that drive the innovation.
Keep on going again and again and again until you make it happen, because you know that it's possible. Now, what do you do during the hard times, Les? Here's what you must do. You must have faith. Paul said you must have the faith to call forth those things that be not as though they were.
You have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up.
The greatest people are self-managing. They don't need to be managed. They'll go figure out how to do it, and they don't need to be managed at all.
Here's the big challenge of life. You can have more than you've got because you can become more than you are. Success is something you attract, not something you pursue.
Of the two of them, the one that took the bigger risks and changed the game more often was Steve. It was Steve Jobs.
Well, I'd give a lot to have Steve's taste. He has natural, not a joke at all. I think in terms of intuitive taste, both for people and products, the way he does things, it's just different. And, you know, I think it's magical.
If you're going through some hard times, it has not come to stay, it has come to pass. It's hard. No, easy is not an option. However, ladies and gentlemen, what you will discover is that it's worth it. It's worth it.
I do not believe that any of us would exchange places with any other people or any other generation. The energy, the faith, the devotion which we bring to this endeavor will light our country and all who serve it. And the glow from that fire can truly light the world. And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
See, most people don't get out in the arena of life because they don't want to fight. Most people don't get out there because they don't want to get knocked down. They don't want to be dropped to their knees. But see, you're going to be dropped whether you're on the field or whether or not you're sitting on the sidelines. You're going to be dropped. Get knocked down so you can learn how to fight, so you can hold your position.
You've got to find what you love. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking and don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. And like any great relationship, it just gets better and better as the years roll on. So keep looking, don't settle.